Hey flower people, welcome to 2021. Happy New Year. We have finally made it past 2020 and we can put it behind us. What a crazy ride that was. And I don't know if you are anything like me, I am ready to start things new and start fresh and move on. In 2021, if you are a floral professional, there are a lot of ways that you can, if you're wanting to, change the trajectory of your business and your career and create a business and a brand that you can really feel proud of. Hey everybody, I'm Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and having worked in the floral industry for many years, I have seen the ups and downs, and I actually started in the business long before we even utilized the internet for our businesses. But I am so excited to see where our industry is going and how it is developing with how the internet is really changing the course of how businesses can create a dynamic relationship with their customers and clientele, building really strong audiences. Now that we're going into 21, it is a time I think that many of us are feeling a little bit uneasy and at the same time being very optimistic. For those of us in the floral industry, 2020 was a crazy year with the pandemic starting, and many of us had to shut down for a period of time. And the floral industry really was in flux and not doing very well for a short period of time. And then all of a sudden, it kind of blew up. A lot of that really was because of the internet, with everybody working from home, doing their schooling from home, not being able to be with family and friends like we normally do. The internet was our one way of being able to connect with those people that we know and love. And with the internet, sending flowers to people, sending them a little reminder that, hey, I'm over here, don't forget me, and we're thinking about you. Flowers have filled that need. So for florists, some of us were just kind of rolling along how we always had been, and then all of a sudden, when everything did blow up, it was like flying by the seat of your pants, not really knowing what to do when and what was the best way to do it. But now, going into 2021, you have a chance to start fresh, start new, and put yourself and your business in a place where you really want it to be. And the biggest way to do that, and the easiest way to do that, is to really possibly change your way of thinking of how you go about serving your customers and clientele. And think more about creating, cultivating, and building an audience, and creating an influence with those people in your audience and your target market to create the kinds of customers and clientele you would like to work with. And that is also going to include potential opportunities coming your way that you might not have necessarily seen coming ahead of you, but they are opportunities that take you outside the realm of what you have normally thought of as what your business was. But they are ways that can strengthen your brand and strengthen your business and really bring some exceptional opportunities to your career as a professional florist. So as we move into 2021, I hope one of your first projects, especially right now, I'm doing this video on New Year's Day 2021. It's January 1st. We're going into a quiet weekend for most florists. And in the first couple of weeks of January, it's normally kind of quiet. So this is a great opportunity for you to work on a little homework project that can really help set you up for great success in this coming year. And that little bit of homework project, is developing a bit of a new business plan, or just setting up a few goals for yourself and your business. Getting down on paper sort of an idea and plan of where you would like to see your business go and how you would like to see it develop over the course of the next year, looking at 3 months out and 6 months out and eventually a full 12 months out. How do you want your business to develop? How would you like to create that really strong audience that supports you and provides to you as a business owner the kinds of clientele and customers you would like to work with? Once you do that, especially if you are an independent entrepreneur operating your business, I know a lot of floral professionals are kind of one-person shows. So we don't necessarily have an entire crew that works with us. But for any small business, and for we floral professionals that are really small operations, we are the face of our business. So one of the best ways to create that audience and to do it in a way that you can really direct how you want that audience to develop and how you would like your business to develop is by means of video content. Now, a lot of us have gotten pretty good at creating live stream video on our social media platforms, whether it's our business Facebook page or our Instagram profile for our business. And we've really gotten pretty good at that. However, all of that is somewhat short-lived. So you might want to look at other ways that you can create new video content and also potentially use some of your old video content and edit it to create new video and utilize the YouTube platform. Now, at first you might get kind of freaked out with the thought of that, but I really want to encourage you to look at the possibilities of doing that. Number one, it doesn't cost anything to have a YouTube channel. You can create all kinds of videos on YouTube and not have to pay for it. Now, when you're creating video for YouTube, one of the things to consider is YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and it's owned by Google. So anything that you are creating on YouTube and the YouTube platform, you're basically feeding your content about you and your business directly into the search engine. And that is good for you, especially if you can get to the point of getting your video content to rank along with your website on Google. So you can end up with multiple listings for people on the Google platform if you can get both to rank well. So now as we go into 2021, I really encourage you to look at the possibilities of how you can utilize video and video content to help you develop your business brand, your personal brand, and the overall business that you have created within the floral industry. There's a lot of things to consider, and over here in the end cards, I've got some other great videos for you that have more information on specific aspects of all of this that can really help set you up for being in a really good, strong position as we move forward and ahead into 2021. So I wish you great luck. I'm here for you whenever you need help. And let's head over to these other videos and get you started for this new year of 2021. Stay safe and be well, everybody. Happy New Year again, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.